Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up Temu Dropshipping on Shopify. So here you can see that I am on my Shopify store. Here you need to search for Temu Dropshipping and you need to hit enter. So here you can see that Temu Dropshipping. Click on that and you need to install this into your Shopify. So once you are on this window, click on install and you need to select your account, and after that it is going to be installed onto your Shopify. So here you can see that now it is have a subscription that you need to pay $9.95 and you need to add your credit or PayPal. So here you can see that you have a 2-day free trial ending on February 18. So you have 2 days trial, and once it is added, then you have an option to add the products from the demo onto your Shopify store, and all products will be visible here in the product section, and you can change the price of the products from here. Previously it was free, but currently you can need to pay $10 each month to have this onto your Shopify store. So this is a process how you can set up demo dropshipping on Shopify. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.